Introducing Komatsu's first intelligent machine control excavator, the PC210LCi-10. This world-first machine control excavator opens a new era of construction technology innovation. This world-first machine control technology includes two key selectable functions: auto grade assist and auto stop control. With the auto grade assist function, the operator moves the arm. The boom adjusts the bucket height automatically, tracing the target surface and minimizing digging too deep. On the other hand, when the operator moves the boom or bucket without arm operation, the work equipment is automatically limited from damaging the target surface. If the arm is operated in combination with bucket or boom operation, auto grade assist overrides auto stop control. Both auto stop control and auto grade assist limit over excavation and allow the operator to focus on moving material efficiently. The intelligent machine control excavator controls the bucket by automatically selecting the point on the bucket closest to the target surface. Should the machine not be facing a sloped surface at a right angle, it will still protect the target surface.
So the first portion, if that was a 6-foot trench deep, that's manual operation. The operator is digging as they would typically do, getting mass production themselves. It's when it starts to get down to that target design surface, it's just not going to go any further. And when it's cleaned out all the way down there, as Jason showed here, it will trace along that top and create a nice, accurate, flat bottom of the trench or to a slope.
Komatsu's intelligent machine control excavators achieve finish-grade performance without any delay through the use of a durable and accurate integrated sensor package. First, proven stroke-sensing hydraulic cylinders are utilized to measure boom, arm, and bucket movements with well-protected wiring harnesses. Next, a frame-mounted IMU sensor accurately measures machine body pitch and roll. Finally, GNSS antennas are now mounted on the main body handrails for safe and easy access. The complete intelligent machine control system, validated to Komatsu's rigid quality and durability standards, comes standard. This includes an improved GNSS receiver and control box in the cab. If the operator turns off machine control, the benefits of machine guidance remain. The large 12.1-inch monitor can display simultaneously information such as magnified fine grading view, 3D bird view, current as-built status, and so on. The stroke-sensing hydraulic cylinders provide real-time guidance with no delay. The operator is given guidance to the target surface additionally with the large grade indicator and sound guidance. Checking the grade by the bucket tooth can be done faster than conventional machine guidance with our stroke sensing cylinder. Komatsu's intelligent machine control excavators allow the operator to focus on moving material efficiently without worrying about digging below the target surface thanks to machine control operation. Innovative, integrated, intelligent. Komatsu Intelligent Machine Control Excavators.